Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, the Einstein of Wall Street from the New York Stock Exchange. Let's talk. It's episode 9,875 of what the heck's going on. Lots of green on that screen. Irrespective of a complete government shutdown, what does that mean? Hundreds of thousands of workers will not be paid, not be going to work. Just to put it in perspective, if you were on a vacation and flew in from Spain and decided to go see the Grand Canyon or go get your driver's license renewed, you would not be able to do that because they are not at work. We close out the Dow intraday actually hitting 47,000. I may have to pull it out, but it's happening so quickly, it's hard to even keep up, right? The embroidery machines can't even print how fast the Dow is closing up at these levels. We're at 6760 on the S&P 500, 1.3 billion on the tape, 2-to-1 advances versus declines. That's significant. Transports, just look at it. Look at that screen, right? Now we're talking government shutdown. Historically, government shutdown would have caused a real weakness in the market, a real fear in the market, a real lack of confidence in the market. Over the years, every year they usually threaten this, but in the witching hour they get it done. This time they didn't even care. They left 2 hours before the deal was done. Irrespective of that, we closed out the third quarter strong. Seasonality, out the door. Earnings guidance, solid. Tariffs, yeah. Couple of global wars, oh my God. So much going on, yet it was a strong third quarter. Closing out the third quarter with $4 billion of stock to buy at $359.59 on the last day of the quarter. That is extraordinary. That is showing a commitment that people are buying with determination. They need to be in this market. They are obviously projecting that it will be higher by year's end. Then we come in first week of the fourth quarter, once again, solid, huge buy volume coming into the market. Look, earnings are yet to come. Still a lot on the table, a complete government shutdown, and yet the market continues to hit record highs across the board. That's a vote of confidence. This is real money, real markers, real landmarks across the board. Absolutely extraordinary. To close out this week with a government shutdown at record highs across all indices, I don't know. You got to be in it to win it. It is extraordinary, ladies and gentlemen. It is a beautiful day to be in this market. Do not sit on the sidelines. Get involved. Come and hang out with Wall Street Global Trading Academy. Hang out at Bex Trader Funding. Hang out with me, the Outside on Wall Street. That's all I got to say about that.